How to delete search history in Safari on iPhone. To delete your search history in Safari, you want to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now, from this list of applications, you want to find Safari. Tap on that. Here, scroll all the way down and find the option of Advanced. Tap on that. Here, type on Website Data. Now go ahead and tap on Remove All Website Data option. Here it will say this will clear data that could be used for tracking. Go ahead and tap on Remove Now on this pop-up. Once that is done, head back. On this page, you want to scroll down and find the option of Clear History and Website Data. You will find this under History and Website Data section. A pop-up will appear. Simply confirm that you want to clear the history and website data, and by doing this you will be able to delete search history in Safari. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.